Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. So I'm live in my account here. I'm just blurring out the members' information for privacy, but you'll see in the top left-hand corner, my total earnings now $502.45. And more importantly in this video, I want to show you how with OLSP System, this particular product is called a mega link. Now with the mega link, there are no monthly membership costs. So you've got an opportunity there to be able to get into profit. The product itself, it costs a one-time $7. And then what you can do with the mega link, you can promote one link and you can earn up to 7 income streams. There's such a lot of benefits to this program. I'm going to go inside the members area and show you step by step exactly how it works. And one of the greatest features is that you can get done for you follow-up autopilot emails that are going to promote your link. So you don't need an autoresponder. You don't have to write any emails or subject lines or everything's it's a complete done for you system. You're going to get all the help, support, and training you need. There's a Facebook group with 146,000 members. And the owner, Wayne Crowe, he's a seven-figure earner, and he's going to teach you his proven systems. Now, these proven systems are for all levels, not just for beginners, but also for intermediate and advanced affiliate marketers. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. We're not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. It's for educational purposes only. So when you come over here, the link in the description will take you to this free video tour here. So this is Wayne Crowe. Now I recommend you come and meet Wayne Crowe because Wayne has made $15 million online. He's an affiliate he's a super affiliate, and he wants to mentor you to become successful. So whether you're a beginner and you're brand new, he's starting out, he wants to help you. If you're intermediate, if you're advanced, he's got the knowledge to help you at any level where you are on your journey. So a short video here by Wayne, and he's going to explain exactly what the OLSP system, in particular in this video here, what the mega link is all about. So what happens is when you join, you pay $7, and then you go into the members area. And Wayne does all his own trainings. That's what I like about this system is that Wayne Crowe, he does all his own trainings. He's imparting all his knowledge onto you. He does live trainings, he does replays, he does free traffic, cheap traffic, paid traffic, and he keeps it very, very simple. So if I just go over here and get my little pencil out, I'll show you exactly how this system works. So when you get your mega link, you can watch this video here, but I'll just show you now how it works. All you do, so top right hand corner, you're going to get your mega link. Your mega link here. Now, let me show you. I forgot to do that. I'm going to do that now. Let me go to pointer. Your mega link here is a lead capture page. So if I could just highlight that. Okay, it's not letting me do that with my pointer. But your mega link is a lead capture page. And what happens is you're going to get your done for you lead capture page. And then all you've got to do is you'll see on the video here that Wayne has drawn a line down here. So all you've got to do is one thing to the left of this line here. Just one thing. That one thing, if we go on to pencil over here, that one thing is to learn how to generate traffic. That's all you've got to do. One thing, just learn traffic. So you have to learn traffic to promote any offer. Now you're going to promote traffic to your mega link which is a lead capture page. And then the beauty of this system is that everything over here on the right hand side is all done for you. This is where Wayne and his team take over from you. You do your one thing here. You promote your lead capture page. He calls it a squeeze page. Your prospects are going to opt in. You don't need any autoresponders. He's got an autoresponder. He follows up for you. So he sends out emails on your behalf. So you could be at work, you could be asleep, you could be out with your family and friends. And he sends out emails on your behalf. Now, the beauty of this system is that within those emails, Wayne, if you look over here, has created his own products. He spent $250,000 on this system. So what he's doing, he's going to put these products into your emails with your affiliate link. Excuse me. He's going to put your affiliate links into the emails so you can earn the commissions on autopilot. And the value here, the value is absolutely superb. I've never seen such value given for a one-time $7 payment, no monthly costs. And the products he's promoting for you are low ticket products, medium ticket, recurring income, and also he's going to promote high ticket products because he creates all his own products. Now he's got a team of 32 staff and he's going to give you all the training, excuse me, all the training and support that you need. So there's training in the members area, there's training in the Facebook group. He's absolutely covered every single angle that everyone needs to succeed. So one of the main reasons that people fail online is they don't get the right training and they don't get the right support. So he's created a Facebook group, he's created the training, he's created his own products, and he's created 100%, going to call it DFY, excuse me, done for you system. All for the price of $7. The value is absolutely superb. I think it's the best value I've ever seen for any product. No monthly membership costs. So the Facebook group over here is 146,000 members. Wayne himself is very active within the Facebook group. So you can ask questions. My email address is in the description if you want to contact me. You can ask questions. I've done lots of other videos on this. I've gone inside the members area, but you can ask questions. You can get all the help you need. You're never going to get stuck. You're always going to have some help and support there from Wayne and his team. And there's some very successful affiliate marketers in this group that are here to help you as well. So a great system. And I think it's really superb value for what you get. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've got over 1,000 videos now on the channel. If you've got any questions, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those questions for you. The link in the description will give you access to this video here. So I recommend you come and meet Wayne Crowe. If you're looking for a mentor, if you're looking for someone to help you succeed online, to help and coach and train you, then I can highly recommend this gentleman here. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.